How to recover a removed background from any image in Canva. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can recover or reset the background of any removed Canva image. So as here you can see that I have this blank canvas design right here, which is actually a Canva presentation. And in order to demonstrate, the first thing that I'm going to do is add any image into this particular Canva design. So to add any stock image, I can click onto this elements option from here on the left hand side. And as you can see, I've searched for cars, and under the photos, I can add any photo that I want. So for example, let's say this photograph right here. So let me simply click onto this to import this particular photo into my canvas, and here you can see that this is the photo. So as currently you can see that this picture has a background and a subject. So this car is our subject, whereas the trees and all the things behind this car is our background. So the first thing that we will be going to do is removing this background. So in order to remove the background, simply click onto this image, and from here simply choose the BG remover. Also make sure that this is a premium feature. You will require Canva Premium to do this. And once I've clicked onto this, you can see that the background has been successfully removed from this image. So now it's our main question of the video on how to recover this background after you are done editing, or let's say you don't have any undo options to revert these changes. So how you can do recover the background from this image is by simply clicking it, and if you can find this particular button enabled, you can simply click onto this and it will open this particular interface. And from here, just besides the erase, you can see this option that says restore. So simply click onto this restore button, and you can drag towards any of the area that you want to restore, like this. Or if you want to do it for the entire image, you can click onto this show original image, and here you can see this is the original image, and we want to recover it to this particular potential. So what you can do is simply click onto this reset tools, and this says reset BG remover. This will reset all the edits you have made with our tools. So simply click onto this confirm button, and here you can see that we have successfully recovered the erased background from this Canva image. So that's how easily you can do this. And if you like this video, do make sure to give it a like. Tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask, then ask them in the comments. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.